Working through today's grade 6 homework, which is, start sharing my screen. That is lesson 2.04a, independent practice. I'm going to click on it from today's announcement. And preview quiz now. What I'll click on. Right, how many questions do we got? We got nice 8 lovely questions. I'm going to zoom in a bit. One more time. Okay. Do this first question. Find the unknown number using decompositions or inverse operations. Decompositions or inverse operations. So, I'm going to first use inverse operations. The word inverse means like opposite operations. So I'm going to try writing out a number family. I forgot how a normal number family looks, so I'm going to do an easy one. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Okay, so now I'm going to rewrite my number family for here. 1.6 plus something is 1.8. So something plus 1.6 equals 1.8. And then it looks like the last number when it's addition becomes the first number for subtraction. Minus something equals 1.6. And 1.8 minus 1.6 equals question mark. Looks like this is one I could type in my calculator or do by hand if I want to. I'm going to show you how to type it into a calculator. 1.8 minus 1.6. My answer is 0.2 for this question. So I'm going to type in 0.2. Check. Woohoo! Yeah. Next question. And find the unknown number. So I'm going to do, again, inverse operations strategy. Love that one. Opposite operations. I'm going to do number families. So I'm going to write an easy number family so I know what order the numbers are supposed to go in when I rewrite it. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, so it looks like when it's subtraction, the first number becomes the last number when I switch it to addition. So I'm going to do, oh wait, let me write it the other subtraction way first. 6.8 equals 8.2. And now let me write it the addition way. So mystery number becomes the last number because it was first. I got 6.8 plus 8.2 equals question mark, or 8.2 plus 6.8 equals the mystery number. We can type either of those in our calculator. Sorry if the penmanship isn't the best, but you'll be okay. You'll live. 6.8 plus 8.2 equals 15. X equals 15. Let's just double check that. Plug this number back in here. 15 minus 8.2. Is that 6.8 minus 8.2? Yep, that is 6.8. So it looks like our answer for this question is 15. 15. Check. Correct. Okay, question 3. Now for this question, I don't know if I need to use inverse operations. So I'm going to try and use decompositions. I'm going to decompose the number. So I have x plus 4. So mystery number plus 4 equals 4 plus 0.9. Right? 4.9 is the same as 4 plus 0.9. So I think maybe this number right here is 0.9. Let's see, test it out with the calculator. 0.9 plus 4 is 4.9. Woo! So it looks like we don't need to do the number families every time. Sometimes we can decompose the numbers, break the numbers apart. So let's type in 0.9, see if that's right. Check. Heyo. Okay, find the unknown number. Let's use decomposition again. We did 2 inverse operations or number families. Now let's do decomposition. So 9. I'm gonna maybe try writing it in the standard algorithm way. Minus something equals 8.2. Okay, so 8 minus what is 2? 8 minus 6, that's 2. Decimal point stays the same in the standard algorithm. And then 9 minus what is 8? Oh, 9 minus 1 is 8. So it looks like our missing number is 1.6. Nice. So it looks like, again, we didn't even really need to use decomposition this time. We just maybe set it up in standard algorithm way. And we kind of decomposed. We looked at the tenths place first, then the ones place next. 1.6 is our answer. 1.6. Let's check. Oh yeah. Question 5. Yoink. All right. So, something minus 7.6 is 5.2. Let's use I'm going to try and do this the same way I did last time with the standard algorithm. So something, so question mark instead of x, minus 7.6 equals 5.2. Something minus okay. This actually looks a little harder than I thought. So I've chosen a strategy, check to see if it made sense, and it doesn't look like this strategy is going to be efficient. So let me choose a different strategy. Let me maybe try and do the inverse operations strategy, the number families. So to remember how number families look, I'm going to write an easy number family that has subtraction in it. Equals 5, 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 minus 3 equals 2, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So, looks like when I rewrite it in its subtraction, the first term stays the same. Swap the other 2 terms. When I write a number family, can't really type that in my calculator, it doesn't help. So let me write an addition one. So when I switch from subtraction to addition in the number family, the first term becomes the last term. So So 5.2 plus 7.6 equals missing number, or 7.6 plus 5.2 equals missing number. Let's type one of those into our calculator. 5.2 plus 7.6 is 12.8. 12.8. Let's see if that's right. 12.8. Oh, yeah. Okay, question 6. Okay, question 6, right? That's what we're on. Yep, right now. Question 6. Okay. I think the number family way is taking a little long. So let's try and do it not number family. But if the not number family way kind of seems like it's getting hard, then maybe we'll go back to the number family way because it's long, but isn't super hard, I think. Let's see if we can make sense of this. So 4, I'm going to try and write it in standard algorithm way, see if that helps me discover which, like, what the missing number is, plus question mark equals 8.7. Okay, let me erase that question mark. Okay, so with the standard algorithm, and when we're adding and subtracting, the decimal point stays in the same spot. 7 plus what is 7? 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. And then 4 plus what is 8? 4 plus 4 is 8. So it looks like our missing number was 4.0, or just 4. 4. Check. Nice. So on your homework, your numbers will be different, but the questions will be very similar. Let's work on this one. Gross. It's all blurry. Yeah. Much better. Okay, use the inverse operation. Okay, so let's write out some number families. I'm going to write out an easy number family. So 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. I'm writing out the number families so that way I know the position of where all the numbers should be. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So here we have timesing. So I'm going to write my number family, my real number family, based off of the example number family. So x times 5.6 equals 17.92. Looks like when it's timesing, the last number becomes the first number when I write it as a division sentence. 17.92 divided by mystery number equals 5.6. And 17.92 divided by 5.6 equals mystery number. A calculator sentence. 17.92 divided by 5.6 equals 3.2. Let's just test that out, see if that is right. 3.2 times 5.6. Is that what it says? Oh, nice. It is. So it looks like our answer is 3.2. See if that's right. 3.2. We're nearing on our last question. How sad. Yay, green check mark. Okay, inverse operation, last one. Ooh, looks like it's starting as a division. Okay, for me to find the inverse, ooh, that's so blurry. For me to find the inverse operation, I think it's helpful to make number families. So, but sometimes I forget how number families are supposed to look. So I'm going to write an example number family. 2 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Boom, number families. Okay, so now let me write the number family for here. So when it's division, looks like the first number stays the same. So 3.15 divided by, but then the other numbers swap, 4.5 equals x. And then when I move from division to a multiplying sentence in the number family, the first number becomes the last number. So 4.5 times mystery number equals 3.15, and the mystery number times 4.5 equals 3.15. So let me see, is there a math sentence in here that I can type in my calculator? Oh yeah, this one. I can type that in my calculator. Booyah. Let's see what we get. 3.15 divided by 4.5 equals 0.7. Let me just, don't want to be too quick. 0.7. Let's see if my answer is correct and do plug that number into the original sentence. Divided by 0.7 equals 4.5. Oh yeah. 0.7. 0.7. Check. And correct. All right. When you finish your homework, make sure to click Finish Attempt and then click Submit. If you have any questions, please let me know in the form of a Canvas message. Right. Goodbye and good luck.